I'm doing 6.6 in, I think, 3 different sections. I'm doing first this says square root equations. I'm going to start with these, and then I'm going to do, let me look real quick. Then I'm going to do these here in a different video, the rational exponent equations, and then I'm going to do those monster crazy ones that were super hard, like 16 and 20 on square root equations, but that's going to be a third separate video. So, starting with these fairly easy ones, let's look at number 5, right here. 5 equals square root of r minus 3. We said that you want to isolate the radical. In this case, it is isolated. And then you raise both sides to a power in order to get rid of the radical. Well, this is a square root, which means I want to raise both sides to the second power. Like that. So on the left-hand side, I have 25. And on the right, the radical and the power of 2 cancel out, and you're just left with r minus 3. And then you just solve for r, so add 3. Oh, I like this song. Alright, pretty easy. Turn to page 2, please. I'm trying to find one that's not going to be as nice and dandy. Of course. You know what? I lied. I'm doing this in the same video. So 6.6, it's going to be called B, but it's the ones with the exponents instead. And if you really need help with the other ones, then please let me know, and I would be happy to help you tomorrow or Friday before the test. Today's February 15th, 2012. Alright, look at number 2 here. 2 is already pretty much done. You have this guy is isolated. To get rid of that exponent, you want to use the reciprocal exponent, meaning raise both sides to the 4/3. So you need to go back to 6.1 if you don't know how to do this. The third root of 27 is 3. 3 to the 4th is 81. M equals 81. Done. How about 7? Right, yeah. N minus 27 to the 3/2 equals 64. Okay, well the radical is already isolated, so first I'm going to get rid of that exponent, the 2/3, the 3/2, but I'm going to use the exponent of 2/3 to get rid of it. Like so. So I have n minus 27 on the left, because the 2/3 and 3/2 are inverses, so they cancel each other out. On the right, I have 64 to the 2/3, so it's the third root of 64, which is 4. 4 to the second is 16, and that's basic linear equation. Add 27 to both sides. 27 and 16 is 43. Yeah, 43. Okay. Go to the next page in that same one, the rational exponent equations. Let's try. Let's try number 14. It looks like a challenge even for me, because there's a lot going on. Whoa. Okay, I'm going to start by adding 6. And this gives me that. Okay. Divide by -5. I'm just doing step 1, which is isolating the radical. Okay, dividing by that. Oh my gosh. Okay. 1, 2, 4. Oh man, I have a feeling that is not right. That is definitely not right. Okay. Alright, get it together, Bethany. Let's see. 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into that. Got it. Okay. Believe it's that. And then that's 20. Okay. 1024. That's what we're going to go with. Sheesh. And I still have that. So, oh man, what am I doing? I don't have my calculator or anything. I'm really just trying to do this with my bare head. So, I have the 5/3. That means I'm going to raise both sides to the 3/5. 3/5. So 3x plus 22. And then 1024 to the 3/5. What is the 5th root of 1024? Oh my gosh. Is it 4? What's 4 to the 5th? Well, I know 4 to the 4th is 256 times 4. 22. And then 8, 9, 10. Okay, I got a lucky guess there. So the 5th root of 1024 is 4. 4 to the 3rd is 64. Holy moly. Alright, so now we have 64 equals 3x plus 22. We'll subtract 22, divide by 3, and voila. So minus 22. What is that? 42 equals 3x. And then divide by 3, you get 14 equals x. Man, oh man. There you go.